Hello once again. 6.3 proving triangles similar. Go ahead and have the students write down all of what you see here. You can press pause right now and then I'll explain in just a bit. Coming back to you live, here we go. 6.3, there are 3 shortcuts to prove that triangles are similar. First shortcut's called the angle-angle, and notice there's a little wave right there. That's called the angle-angle similarity postulate. Got to have that little symbol when you write angle-angle similarity. Same with this, side-angle-side similarity, side-side-side similarity. That's how you can tell these are different than what we were using before when we used SSS and SAS. Those other ones were proving triangles congruent, same shape. These ones are proportional with the same angles, but are not necessarily the same size. For angle-angle, you got to have 2 angles of a triangle congruent to 2 angles of another, then the 2 triangles are similar. And remember, these 3 things only work to prove triangles that are congruent. Once we know that the 2 triangles are congruent, you know all their corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. These are your 3 reasons. We're going to deal with several examples that deal with these 3 things. We just have to check proportionality for 2 of them or double angles for 1 of them. Let's scroll to our first example, and then I have one more thing I'm going to have you write down in your notes, so don't put away your notes yet. Number 16. Can you conclude that the triangles are similar? If so, say the postulate or theorem you can use and write a similarity statement. If not, explain. Is this triangle similar to that triangle? Is triangle, let's go MST. First one doesn't matter. The second one does matter. Is it similar to, question mark, is it similar to triangle MSTMLN? MLN. Let me scoot that back a little bit. That's our question. We don't know if these sides are proportional. We don't know distances here. So the only one I can really check is this angle-angle. What am I given? I'm only given that this is parallel to this. If those 2 things are parallel to each other, then you're expected to know, well, angle N's the same as each other. That's the same in both triangles. Good. But what about alternate interior angles? What about corresponding angles? That's what they're called. This angle here and this angle here. You have a transversal, parallel lines. Those 2 angles have to be the same, don't they? And even these ones over here have to be the same as each other. Not necessarily over here, but up there and there, sure. So even though there's 3 sets of angles that are the same, all we need are 2 of them. Are they similar? Yes, they are. Write a similarity statement. We did. State the postulate or theorem I used. I used angle-angle similarity. Don't forget that little symbol as I talked about earlier. Got it? Perfect. I'm going to pause this video because I feel like the bell's going to ring here. Yeah. I just lied. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to create a new video next.